Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
Morning Bulldogs, I'm Keira Wessler and I'm this week's host. Today is Friday, January 19th, and it's a D-Day. Here's a mid-year message from Dr. Quinn.
Hello Bulldogs, it's Dr. Quinn with a few mid-year words of wisdom. It's hard to believe that we are already halfway through the school year. So here are a few tips to make the rest of the school year go smoothly. Show up on time every day. Follow the rules. Do your homework. Get involved. The more you put into your experience here, the more you'll get out of it. Get a good night's sleep as often as possible. Do some nice things. Say hello to people in the hallway. Be kind. And finally, do your best to enjoy your high school experience. Peace out, Bulldogs. Go Black Team!
Now I'm going to talk about a local organization. Hi, I'm Keira, and today I'm going to talk about Flemington DIY. Flemington DIY is a community arts organization in Flemington. It's 100% volunteer run and provides an inclusive space for the community to engage in the local arts scene. You can take classes, join clubs, go to art shows, open mic nights, or see live music. They're constantly holding events, so we're going to go to one to see what it's all about.
Wow, a night of all nights, a day of all days. Music that just plays and plays.
Thanks for watching. That was fun. Time to learn about a beloved Muppet character.
I'm Jason Guerin. Rolf was created in 1962 for Purina Dog Chow commercials that aired in Canada. Rolf would reappear a year later when country singer Jimmy Dean got his own TV show and needed acts full time. So he approached Jim Henson to play a puppet character that he would interact with through various skits. Rolf was the first Muppet to get a regular spot on primetime television and was Jim's first taste of nationwide fame. It was also the first time he worked with Frank Oz, who would go on to play multiple iconic Muppets. Rolf would become the face of the Muppets, carrying them throughout the 60s and be a part of everything the Muppets were a part of until Sesame Street in 1969. Even after Sesame Street became a hit and they didn't need him to carry the Muppets anymore, Rolf still stuck around making cameos, until he became part of the Muppet Show and was given the veterinarian's hospital sketch, and he became the piano player. After Jim Henson passed away, they didn't really know what to do with Rolf, because while some characters like Kermit and Ernie were vital to the Muppets and Sesame Street, Rolf wasn't as vital at this point, and his role could be taken over by other Muppets. And Rolf was one that was most like Jim, so there was talk about retiring him out of respect for Jim. In the end, they decided to give him to Bill Beretta, who took on a lot of Jim's characters.
Personally, I like Rizzo. Let's meet our girls' basketball team.
Hi, I'm Karina, I'm number 45, and I'm here with the seniors from the basketball team.
I'm Shelby and I'm 20.
I'm Jillian, I'm number 3.
I'm Kennedy and I'm number 4.
I'm Taya, I'm number 10.
I'm Adriana, I'm number 5.
What's your favorite memory?
Our holiday practices with the alumni.
Beating Princeton this year.
Beating Heightstown our freshman year.
Beating Princeton this year.
Also beating Princeton and eating up that peach pie after.
My favorite memory was also beating Princeton this year. What's your pregame ritual?
Eating Cheez-Its and listening to music that gets me hyped.
Eat a good snack, take a good nap, and Intro by Meek Mill.
I also like to eat, and I always listen to the song Cognac Queen by Megan Thee Stallion.
Eating trail mix and listening to Jimmy Cooks.
Listening to Power by Kanye West.
My pregame ritual is listening to Plain Jane featuring Nicki Minaj. What's your favorite cereal?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Golden Grahams retro recipe made with real honey.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch mixed with Honey Nut Cheerios.
Lucky Charms.
Fruit Loops.
My favorite is Honey Nut Cheerios. Thanks for joining us, and let's send it back to the studio.
Now it's time for the movie mystery.
Back in Timberlane middle school days,
But we were dancing.
You didn't want to dance. I was dancing by myself.
I didn't want to dance myself, but I got 2 left feet. Because I got 2 left feet.
I was like, get up, Jerry. Get up, Jerry.
And I was born with 2 left feet.
Our last movie mystery was Groundhog Day.
Now, don't you tell me you don't remember me, because I sure as heck fire remember you.
Not a chance.
Till next time.